Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to create a new file on Windows 11, then this video is for you. For example, if you want to create a new file on your this startup skin, then you can do is right click on your mouse, then you can find this option appears. Now you can find the new here. When you hover over your mouse on the new option here, you can find folder. Then once you click on the folder, it will allow you to create a new folder. You can see it has just appear here. Now you can try to rename it, like I'm going to try it like this. Now you can see I have created a folder on my Windows startup skin. You can paste it or place it anywhere you want, just like this. Hold it and drag it to the exact location where you want to set it. Now you can see if you double click on it, it will like open up here. Now if you want to create a file on the file in the file manager, then you have to do is when you are on file just like this, you have to right click on it again, right click on your mouse with your right finger of your right hand, you can find it. Now you can find the new option also, and you can find the folder, and if when you click on it, then it will allow you to create a new folder like anything. I have just named it anything. Now if you hit enter or click your mouse cursor anywhere in the screen, then it will save that. Now there is also another way that you can use to open or create a new folder. Here is the new option at the top left corner, you can find. Simply click on it and you can find the folder, and it will also allow you to create another new folder just like this. So that's pretty much easy. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.